Good morning, boys and girls. Today is day 3 of our word sort number 63, our R influenced A. And we're learning all about our short A and our AR. I want you to pause your video here and quickly sort your words out. All right, thank you for pausing. And now that you've sorted your words out, I'm going to unveil mine. And I laid mine out a little bit different today because that way you see them, because my video screen doesn't have that much space. So I scooched my oddball all the way over here to the corner. And we know we have one oddball. So here are my words. I want you to pause your video here and really check that you have all your words, first of all, and that they are in the right category. Are they in the AR category on this side? Or are they in the short A category on that side? Or did you remember that war was our oddball? Pause the video here and check your words. All right, now that you paused your video and you really checked that all your words are written correctly, we're going to get our handy dandy notebook out and we're going to write down our words. And when I'm writing down my words, I need you to make sure, I'm going to lay my notebook on top here, that you write it down correctly. And as always, when we are writing, we need to make sure that we are writing neatly. So I'm going to get my marker out. And of course, you're right. You're lucky you get to write in pencil. I have to write in marker so it shows up on the video. First thing we're going to do is we're going to write our date. Your date might be different than mine, or you may be the same. Today is 2-28-22. And this is my word sort. So I'm going to write here sort. And we're going to write over our date the number of our sort now. So I'm going to write down 63. So when you do your other activities, you know which sort you have to do. And I know this is my title, so I capitalized it and I'm going to underline it. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my 3 columns. I'm going to put a line right after the S. And I'm going to put a line right here. Remember to make your line as straight as possible, but it does not have to be perfect. My first category, my first header is AR. Then I have the short A, and I'm going to put my little hook on top. And in the corner, I have my oddball. All right, so I'm going to write down my AR words first, and I'm going to just show you with an example of one. Let me scoop you can't see my oddball written down. So I'm going to write down 2 words, and you are going to pause the video, and after I'm done writing them, you are going to write down yours. Now, we are already preparing, so we're going to draw our line under here because these are our headers. So my first word, I'm going to start over here, is farm. I'm going to write nice and neat, farm. All right. My second word in that same category is jar. I'm going to skip a line because see how this one is long? It would interfere with my other letters. So I'm going to skip a line so I have nice space and I can write my jar. Then you're going to skip a line and you're going to write your next word right here. Actually, let me write the third word. And that will be bark. All right, pause the video here. I'm going to unveil my words for a second. Pause your video right here and write the rest of the words in the AR category. Thank you for writing all your words down that go into AR. I'm going to scoop my notebook over here and cover up my AR words because we're not going to need them. And now I'm going to write my short A word sounds. Read them with me real quick. Crash, trap, cap, drag, fast, crab, rag, brag, snap. All right. So I'm going to show you again with the first 2 words, and then you're going to write the rest by yourself. My first word is crash. Remember, nice handwriting, crash. All right. My next word is crab. I'm going to skip a line. Crab. All right. So my next word will be trap. I got to skip a line. All right. Pause your video here and write the rest of your short A words down. Now that you wrote them down, let's write our last one down. Remember, we only have one oddball. Do you remember why war is an oddball? War. Oh, because it has AR, but it really sounds like OR. If you wrote all your words down, let me see them. See you next time, my little friend.